Today, the topic I'm gonna discuss is Rami fiber, um, along with my friends Muhammad Sohaib Ali with registration number 19 NTU 0126 and Zohaib Amjad with roll number 19 NTU 0136. Starting the presentation, I will talk about Rami fiber, its origin and chemical compositions of Rami fiber, and will hand over to Mr. Zohaib Amjad. So, what is Rami fiber? Uh, Rami fiber is one of the oldest fiber. It is also known as China grass. It is originated around 6,000 years ago in Malay Peninsula, and it is 4 times stronger than cotton fiber, and the part used for you to make Rami fiber textile is the inner bark, not the outer bark or woody stem. Now let's move towards the origin of Rami fiber. Rami fiber is originated in Malay Peninsula 1,000 years ago, and it was used to make mummy cloths in Egypt 5,000 to 3,000 years before Christ. And talking about today main producers are of Rami fiber are India, Brazil, China, South Korea, Japan, and Thailand. Uh, then is chemical composition of Rami fiber. Rami fiber is consists of cellulose sharing around 68 to 76.1%, and hemicellulose having share of 13.1 to 16.7%, and lignin, pectin, and also
Alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Zohaib Amjad, roll number 19 NTU 0136. Today I am here to present the topic of Rami fiber, and I present the second part of my presentation because we have three partners. First one is Naqi, and second one is Zohaib, and third one is Sohaib Ali. My roll number is 19 NTU 0136. Now I describe the main contents of my topic is slide number 6. The structure of Rami fiber, in which we first describe the inner structure of Rami, however different from the other plants fibers that contain polymeric hydrocarbohydrates structure component. The physical form of cellulose and Rami fiber is very rigid and crystalline, but in fact it is also extremely porous, which provide it a very better absorbency than many other cellulose fibers. In these slides, I describe the structure of Rami fiber, who is shown in the figure. So, Assalamu Alaikum. Now I describe the main contents of our presentation, the slide number 7, in which I describe the surface morphology of Rami fiber. It means that surface morphology of the Rami fibers with different treatments like SEM, images of the raw Rami fibers. So I describe this, in which Rami fiber with glycol, acetic acid 50% include. So signal rami fiber with glycol, photographs of raw rami fiber, degrown rami fiber with glycol. It is also 50%. Degrown fiber with glycol, as shown in the figure. Now I describe the eighth side of our topic is what is the formation of rami fibers. It is very interesting because rami fiber is the oldest fiber because 6000 BC years ago is produced, and it is formed from Brazil and so many other countries, in which the stalks are usually cut by hand. इसका मतलब है कि रमी फाइबर को हम हैंड के साथ भी फॉर्मेशन करती हैं और बाज़ का मैकेनिकल भी. रमी फाइबर्स आर ऑब्टेन्ड बाय decortications in which the bark and the adhering fiber be separated from the stalk and soaked in the water, allowing the fiber to be scraped from the bark. The fibers are spun into the yarn which can then be woven into textiles. इस स्लाइड में इसमें राइमी फाइबर की फॉर्मेशन के मुताबिक बताया गया है, और ये आमतौर पर मैकेनिकल भी होती है और हैंड भी होती है. जो 7 वाली स्लाइड में दिखाया गया है इसका पूरा स्ट्रक्चर, फ्लो चार्ट, ये कैसे बनती है. फर्स्ट वन इज फाइबर बेस इकट्ठे किए जाते हैं, फिर ओपनिंग होती है, फिर ब्लेडिंग, पिकिंग, पिकर्स, थ्रेशिंग भी इसमें होती है, कार्डिंग और स्लाइवरिंग कैन, सो मैनी अदर्स, ड्राइंग एंड डबिंग भी होती है इसमें. सो दैट्स.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Sohaib Ali. My registration number is 1992 TE0126. Now I am describe the physical properties of rami fiber. So in the physical properties of rami fibers, it has high tenacity, high luster and brightness. It has resistance to heat, light, acid and alkali, etc. The fiber material were capable of producing excellent blended fabrics, and its position as substitute for cotton is unchallenged. Here also describe some rami fibers properties. In these properties, rami requires chemical processing to degum the fiber. It is the fine absorbent, quick drying fiber, is slightly stiffened and possesses high natural lusters. Its plant height is 2.5 meter and its strength is 8 times more than cotton's. So next are the applications of rami fiber. What is the rami fiber used for? Rami is used to make such products as industrial swing thread, packing materials, fishing nets and flitter clothes. It is also made into fabrics for household furnishings and clothings. A lot of rami fibers applications are also present other except than these. Now there is a scientific information about the rami plant. So first of all, what is the kingdom of its plantae, clade, trachyophyte and clade, angiosperm, clade, idiocots, clearosides, family Articaceae and etc. So next I am added a video for the conclusion of whole presentation.
69-year-old Pang Yanok has been weaving mushi or fine rami fabrics for almost her entire life. The skill she learned dates back to 1500 years to the nation's west central region of Hansan.
It takes great effort to make a fabric out of rami plants, as it involves many steps. To make a suit, the weaving process itself takes about 10 days.
Moshi cloth weaving starts with the rami plant, one of the oldest fibers cultivated for fabrics. Rami first needs to be peeled off and then split to be made into threads. The handmade community process of weaving the fabric made it on UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage List in 2011. These handmade rami fabrics are known for being light, breathable, and holding shape easily. This strong yet airy natural fabrics has inspired modern fashion designers like Seo Young-soo, who recently held a collection composed of pieces made of mochi fabric.
What's great about the Rami fabric is that it gives a beautiful natural silhouette to any design. It goes especially well with dresses, although it's not too feminine. Mochi can go well with any design, but I think it's the best fabric for high-end dresses.
For those who would like to experience the textiles themselves, the annual Hansan Rami Fabric Cultural Festival is taking place this week in the west central part of the country. Park Ji-won, Arirang News.
So thank you so much, sir.